Alright, so this is probably going to be my first video where I'm actually showing, like, my hands. Well, here's a hand shadow reveal. Whoa. I mean, I'm going to be doing a real hand reveal. Whoa! So, I'm going to be attempting to solve this Rubik's Cube, even though I've done it countless times before. So, look at hand reveal. But this is the Rubik's Cube. It's completely scrambled. There's really no thing that... This is bad quality. I might need no face reveal yet. I told you guys. Give me a good amount of subs and then maybe... Oh, crap. My lighting. Okay, so I'm probably going to try solving it from up here. I have a bad cube, I know. Alright, so let's just hop into it. Now. Okay, we got the first part down with the yellow looking daisy. Boop, boop. Match them up so that I get them like whoop, scoop. Blue right here. Whoop, scoop. And red. Now we got the whites on this side, so now we gotta find a little white here. We got matched up to its green center point. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Triggers. Okay, now we gotta do that so that it's like that. And now we have a blue card right here, so we're gonna do it twice. Get it underneath this white piece, underneath a non-white piece, and then do a couple triggers. Now mix it up to its blue one. Trigger. Match this one up to its orange one. Trigger. This one up to its blue one again. Trigger. Now the first one solved, that first layer. Nice. There's probably going to be a timer up in the corner of the screen, like probably where my thumb is right now, just right there. Now let's solve the second layer. Looks like we got an error. Oh, nope. It's first I solved. Now. Okay, perfect. Bro, we could just match that up and boom. But now we still need to solve that. This is so frustrating. Dude. Scoot, scoop, scoop, doop. Scoot. Finally. Now we got it matched up to this one. We got the red here, so then we do a scoot there, and then boom, we got it all matched up. Now we do a little bit of what I like to call triggers. I'm sorry, that might have been, oh, that's the camera. Triggers. So I forgot the trigger. I think it's that. No, we got a matched up seat, so now we just do that, and perfect. Now we just and solved. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the timer will appear, because this was fun. Oh. Thanks for watching.